Oh God, I'm so nervous. I really hope I don't break things. Okay. So I found yet another hobby that I just want to throw money at. And honestly, I should just be sticking to gardening because every time I get interested in something that's techie, it's just so expensive. That being said, today we're opening up and lightly modding my very first mechanical keyboard. I'm so excited. I do want to apologize. I'm very, very green. I am not a tech YouTuber. I don't know how to properly unbox things. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just happy to be doing it. So the keyboard that I chose was a Keychron K8. It really fit into my price range and it was recommended as something that would be good for a beginner. It is a 10 keyless board, which is essentially a full keyboard without the number pad, which is good because it makes it easier to swap out the keycaps. Speaking of which, it is a hot swappable keyboard, so it'll be easy to I don't know, will it be easy? I don't know. To switch out the keycaps as well as the switches. I like this one as well because it was wireless. So I'm getting mixed reviews of like how well the Bluetooth works, and I think it depends on what you're doing with it. I edit as well as I lightly game, so those are the only things that I'll be needing it for. I think it depends on the game and what you're playing, but let's see. We will see how it performs in terms of Bluetooth, and it is the Keychron, I think that's how you pronounce it, Browns. Apparently that's the Goldilocks of switches. It's in between something that's a little bit mushier, which I've learned is too soft, or clickier, which is really loud. And coming from a Mac keyboard, it might be too loud. That with all the Mac compatibility made this one the definite choice. And we're gonna be unboxing it now, so let me just make sure my camera's on. The packaging is so nice. Like it really does feel really nice. I'm scratching up everything, but whatever. Ooh, I don't know if I'm like doing cardinal sins with the way that I'm opening this. I hope not, but it's so nice, guys. Okay, this looks good. This gives me a little bit of instructions. I'm gonna keep this with me actually. I don't know whether to be quiet or to talk, because I feel like in unboxing videos, you're not really talkative, but I'm excited. I don't know which way to go with this. Make sure switch pins are straight before inserting. Okay, that makes sense. Oh my God, it's so nice. So I guess this is the switch puller, and then this is the keycap puller offer. I don't know. Those aren't the words, but whatever. Oh, it's heavier than I thought it was gonna be, to be honest. I'm so excited. Oh, I kind of like that. Is that a problem? I don't know why, but it's better than I thought it was gonna be. So, love the keyboard, very excited to be using it. And honestly, I don't know why, but I thought it was gonna be louder. I'm assuming because, of course, if you're a tech YouTuber, you probably put your mic up to the nth degree, but it's not as loud as I thought it was gonna be. Or as like cavernous sounding. And I will mention also, it is definitely like a higher keyboard, and I could see why it would be uncomfortable after a while, but I feel like it's not as high as I thought. The packaging was beautiful. It feels really nice and nicer than I thought it was. Like it is more enjoyable than what I thought I didn't care, and I don't think I care. But I don't know, do I? I'm trying to absorb all of the YouTube information so that way when I do this, I don't mess it up, because if I open the board, the warranty is null and void. So that is a big rule. Don't mess this up. I guess I should see if it works before I ruin it. Oh, okay, so this is on. It's lighting up. Let's just make sure the Bluetooth is good. Hello. The RGB is like a great time. Okay, I'm getting lost in this. I can't. When you click it, it does this thing that's magical. Oh my God, stop. I'm mesmerized. I found it. Okay, now that I know the Bluetooth works, I want to get to work. I looked up how to do this on the internets, on the interwebs, and I learned a whole bunch. We'll see if I do it right. Wish me luck. The first thing is I have to take the keycaps off and be careful of the battery. Those are like the biggest things. We use this, it's I guess a keycap puller. Oh, okay, that's good. I was really worried this would be terrible. Oh. Okay. Okay. This looks good. This is good. This is gonna take so long. Okay. That wasn't too hard. It took a little bit longer than I thought it was gonna take, but it looks like it does in the videos, so that's good. So now I'm supposed to take this thing off, and I think this is the PCB, and there's supposed to be 11 screws, and I hope that my eyeballs are good enough. Oh, cool. Now to hunt down 10 more screws. I feel like this is like one of those find me games. You know when you were little and you're supposed to find the image within the image and the image was really convoluted? That's what I feel like I'm doing right now. Yes! I think I did this. I think I found all the screws. Now's a really scary moment because I know that the cord is really short from the PCB to the battery, so I just want to be careful. I hope that's good. Okay, so these I think slide off. Okay, how do I do this now? There's 12 screws. Whoever told me there was 11 screws lied. Cool. So that should make my life easier, right? I don't have what those people on YouTube have, but I do have a cheese smoother on her. So we're gonna be using that. It's working, but it's causing me a lot of anxiety. And I wonder if it's causing you anxiety. It might. I'm sorry if it is. Oh my gosh, I think I did it. Wow, what a win. That only took a short while. Gosh, everything's so scary. Okay. I have an idea. I'm gonna go get tweezers. This is more involved than I thought it was gonna be. How did that guy make it look so easy? I did it. Okay. That was really stressful for me. I did not want to break this. Okay, what I've been told is to buy some neoprene. This one is kind of thin, so I actually might layer it up a little bit. I've been hearing mixed reviews about whether or not I can cover the battery or not, and I don't think I'm going to, just because I want to be on the safe side. But also, I've heard to not put the foam higher than the battery, and I don't know what that does or what that means, but I'm just gonna, again, I'm gonna just stay on the safe side. Ooh, she cuts easy. See you later. So the goal of this is just to use the densest foam possible. That way it absorbs as much sound as you possibly can. A neoprene's recommended. There's another one that starts with an S that's kind of hard to say that I was reading about, but it is kind of expensive, so I opted for the cheaper option. Boop. I started off real strong on this side, and then this side gets real scrappy. All right, do I have the patience? Just a little longer. This is very thin. Like, I could definitely just rip this up with my hands. Like, I could, yeah, it will rip. If that's the case, maybe I can just easily poke little holes and it'll do what I want. I hope you'll be able to see the colors when I switch the keycaps out. Okay, you got the really size screw. Oh, you're pretty good. Oop, 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 oop. Almost ripped it. Oh. This feels so chaotic. Is it usually this chaotic for people? No, I don't think so. You know what I didn't think about it, boys and girls? I didn't think about the little sliders. They have to be able to slide. Okay, so it looks pretty good to me. Yeah, I think that's it. I think that's fine. Woo! I did it! Okay, now I have to put the whole thing on. Again, where did I pull this out from? Almost dropped it. I don't remember which way this went back. Is that bad? This is like an extreme version of when babies put a square in a square and a triangle in a triangle toy, except for it's battery powered and expensive. I guess, can I try turning it on now? Oh my God, it works. This is a meaningful moment in today. Okay, let's poke you back to where you belong, all you little screws. Mm-hmm. Boop. There. Hiding in the shadows. A little screw was born. All right, I'm getting a little weird because I've spent a lot of time on this. I'll get you in a second, miss. Let's slide on these bad boys first. There we go. I was just doing it at an angle, like a dum-dum. Please go on the side. Everything is so eensy-weensy. Oh, that's definitely not correct. All right. Ooh. Oh God. Oh God. I found it. Okay, I'm so excited to do the keycaps. Why am I so zoomed in? Oh my God. I don't like that at all. Yeah. Sorry. I don't know why I was so zoomed in. Okay, so I picked up these keycaps from a seller on Etsy. I will list them below. They are beautiful and ombre. I think they'll look really beautiful against the black and suit my setup. There are a couple of keys, like the F1s and stuff like that, that I will be using the original keycaps just because I think it'll be easier to use. But we'll see. I hope all of them fit. Again, I've never done this before, so I hope this works. Huh! Oh wow, it is much quieter. Ooh, I'm excited. So far they're fitting, so that's good, right? I am already loving the ombre effect. Okay. Does this look weird? Do I hate that? Spoiler alert. I did hate it. When I bought this keycap set, there wasn't an option to get a Mac compatible set, which is why I replaced these top ones with the original keycaps that the Keychron came with. But I did find these, which is great. Think it's super cute. These ones, you know, I'm just making the sacrifice. It looked like a little saber-toothed tiger, which, while adorable on a saber-tooth, or terrifying, depending on who you are, I just did not like it on this keyboard. So I know that this is command, I know that this is option, it says alt, it says code, but it just looks so good. I want to show you, however, the sound difference that the foam mod made because it sounds so much different. So this is what it sounded like before I did the mod. And this is what it sounds like now. It's crazy how much quieter it is. Ooh. It's still so satisfying. I just love this thing. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you'll come back and join me for my desk setup that I'm making. It should be out soon here. And yeah, I hope you have a lovely day. Please like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoyed the video. Thanks so much. Bye.